Welcome back to another sunny day in Thailand, except some big clouds have always been building in the afternoon, but then we never get any rain, and we're supposed to be in rainy season now. Anyway, here we have the replacement hydraulic tank for the front brake. It came really fast after I ordered it. I probably had it not the next day, but the day after. And the Toyotron lady says they've never had this happen before, so I get to be the pioneer for all of their technical problems. So let's open this up and see what's inside. It'll definitely be the tank, but I don't know how many of the hoses and things are going to be permanently attached and how many that I have to use on the existing bike. Okay, well that's interesting. It's the entire brake handle assembly. And there's the little dirty bugger right there. There are no hoses attached. There's a clip to put it on the handlebar. There's the brake light triggering leads. And there's one hydraulic output. So I'm just going to use the pipe that's already there. And that's good. That means I may be able to get away with only taking the top of the shroud off the top of the steering column and not the whole front fascia of the bike. Although I don't know how far down those wires go. I'll have to track them down. And I don't know if this is just meant to protect it during shipment. Probably I'll take that off because that's just to protect the handle. But all right. Let's bring the bike upstairs, and you can see the spring compressing in there. That's cool. All right, let's bring the bike upstairs and start the party. Okay, top cover is off, and this is looking like one of the easiest fixes that's going to be happening to this bike. Knock on wood somewhere. We have easy access to the bracket that holds it on. The brake light wire goes over somewhere into this bundle, which is very easily accessible and swapped out. The hydraulic pipe is one of these, I think it's a banjo fitting, and that's right there, so I don't have to mess with hydraulic fittings at all. And this is looking really good. All right, let's jump in. And it's out. That took less than 5 minutes. Here's the old one with the broken, disintegrated little viewing window. That's ridiculous. That's not glass, that's plastic for sure. And plastic that doesn't hold up well to brake fluid. And this is the new one. It also feels like plastic. We'll see how many years that holds up in the heat of Thailand. Now, it's time to swap it back in. And it's in. Now I was looking at the angle of adjustment of the brake lever, but when I put the cover on top, it has to be in one exact position, plus or minus about 0.5 millimeter for the front cover to comfortably fit on there. So I snugged it up, adjusted it, cover on, tightened it down. Now all I have to do is hook up the hydraulics and the wire and then go from there. And here we are, all buttoned up, tightened up here, hydraulic connector here, electrical connectors here, shrink wrapped and zip tied back in. And I've been plagued with this broken bracket that holds the bottom part to the steering yoke. And I finally ran a screw up underneath because the 3 times I tried to glue it didn't end up working worth a damn, but now it's held in mechanically and I may get a little more life out of it. So now I just have to pop up over to my friend Abel's house, who's got a brake bleeding system, and we'll be happily back on the road. As you stare out on my beach, I would ask you to subscribe to my channel and click like on this video so YouTube thinks I'm worthy again, and I have so many people on my channel that they'll give me 10 cents a day in ad revenue. So I thank you for that.